All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2018 Nissan Frontier. It is the SV 4x4, beautiful white with gray interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, alloy wheels, 4 doors, only 200 miles on this bad boy, and best of all, minimum damage up front bumper. Looks good. Does have a dent here, heavy scratch, a dent here about 2 inches, another one here about 1 inch. Got a dent on the hood here, 3, 6, about 9 inches from here to here, as you can see. Boom, 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 boom. All right, the rest of the hood looks good. Your front fender looks good. Your front passenger rim, your front driver's rim looks good. I don't see any curbing on that. Your tire thread is obviously over 11-30 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. This quarter looks good. Here's your rear driver's side rim. Very nice. No curbing back here either. Tire thread is 11-30 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof. No holes. No, I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. Looks good. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Like I said, 200 miles, folks. Does come with 3 keys. So there's 2 main keys, valet key, and 2 key fobs. Owner's manuals. Check, still closed, obviously. Check out pictures for more details. You got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You get your AC controls right there below. You get your 4x4 action there. Boom. You get your backup camera. Pow. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. Your mileage of 293 miles. Good. Keep it moving. Turn on the cars on. Here's the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have like a little storage thing down here. I don't know how to open it with one hand, but down here there is a storage thing. Check out pictures for more details. Got your rear bumper. Looks good. You got your tow hitch with your other stuff there. This is what your cargo area looks like. Your bed. Nice. This quarter looks good. Here's your your rear passenger side steel wheel. Tire thread at 11-30 seconds. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. There's also a storage compartment under that seat. This door looks good. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Front fender looks good. And your front passenger steel wheel. Rim. Tire thread at over 12-30 seconds. Alright, we look good. Look good other than that dent there in the front and the dent on the bumper. Folks, once again, this is a 2018 Nissan Frontier SV model with 200 miles. If you guys have any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding, folks.